This soup started with something I saw from Justine Snacks, her caramelized gochujang tomato soup. The idea stuck with me for days. The deep fermented hit from gochujang cooked slowly until it becomes almost jammy and rich. I couldn't get it out of my mind, thinking what would pair well with it. Instead of building it with tomatoes alone, I really wanted to pair it with another flavor I love just as much. Another assertive, bold flavor, tahini. Because gochujang and tahini feel completely different, but somehow work beautifully together. One is spicy, fermented, and savory. The other is creamy, nutty, and mellow. But together, they make alchemy. So the soup starts with olive oil. You add in a slice of the sliced onion, the chopped cabbage, and at first the cabbage looks like too much. It's piled high in the pot, but as it cooks down slowly, it softens and collapses. And that's when cabbage begins to develop sweetness. You give it a few minutes, and then you hit it with a bit of gochujang. This is what really matters. Instead of adding liquid right away, you let the paste cook with the vegetables for 10 minutes or so. It darkens, it caramelizes, and coats the cabbage in a deep red savory hint. Then garlic, fresh ginger, just enough to become fragrant, plum tomatoes, vegetable stock, a squeeze of lemon juice, and tahini. The tahini gives it a nutty flavor, body warmth, and a richness that comes from the ground sesames. Everything gets blended until it's smooth, and you let it simmer slowly, letting the flavors deepen. Right at the end, a little bit of coconut milk for creaminess and to elevate it a little. It softens the spice, it rounds up the acidity, and makes the whole soup feel creamy without feeling heavy. What you end up with is something totally unexpected. Spicy from gochujang, creamy and nutty from tahini, sweet from cabbage, and somehow all those flavors meet in the middle.